Emotional hooks used in hovering. Hovering often targets your empathy. The common hooks include victimhood, stuff like "you abandoned me," nostalgia, "remember when we were good," urgency, "I need you right now," jealousy tactics, someone else is interested in you, or someone else is interested in me. False growth, I've done the work. These tactics activate guilt, compassion, or even curiosity. But here's the key: manipulation feels urgent. Healthy reconnection feels steady. When you feel rushed to respond, pressure to fix, or responsible for their emotional state, then you really need to pause, because your empathy is your strength. But without boundaries, it becomes an entry point. Awareness, though, protects compassion from exploitation. Follow me at Mentally Sound Journey. Like this content, share this content with someone that may be able to use it. And as I always say, a stronger mind is a stronger you.